Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over how you would be able to put your vehicle into, or to put it into neutral. It's called the neutral park safety release, or the safety switch. So unless this vehicle is running, you won't be able to put this into neutral to be able to move it. And so what you need to do, there'll be a little cover that's right here above your gear selector, being the park, reverse, neutral. There should be a little cover here. This cover is not there. But either way, you would remove that cover to be able to put this in to neutral, to be able to move it or to tow it or whatnot. Because if you can't start, like I said, if you can't start the vehicle, this will not go into neutral. So you'll pop that cover and then use a screwdriver and be able to push down in there, and there's anywhere in there you just put the screwdriver, and you don't have to apply a lot of pressure, but you're just pushing a teeny bit of pressure down, and then you will be able to move your gear selector into neutral. And in your gear below, once it goes back up into park, it'll lock again, and so if you need to do it again, you just push it in. And so that would be how you would be able to bypass, so that you can put your car into neutral to be able to tow it or to push it off the road. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.